Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fifth puzzle in this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper on Friday, August the 28th, 2020. Yes, the fifth puzzle is a binary puzzle. Oh, let me focus this Sudoku. Yes, and this Sudoku will be number 1424. Yes, and what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 a binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1's. Alright, so let's get started. Between two ones comes an O, and look, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one. Double one, here an O, there an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here an O, there an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here an O, and there an O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. We have 4 1's in this column, so the rest are O's. And then double 1, here and O, there and O. Yeah. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. And now, do I need to compare? That's the question. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes a 1. Between two 1's comes an O. And now, double O, here 1, there 1. Between two 1's comes an O. 4 O's in this row, so the rest are 1's. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double 1, here and O, there and O. We have 4 1's, so the rest are O's. 3 1's in this column. If I place the fourth one here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Between two O's comes a 1. Double 1, here and O, there and O. 4 O's in this row, so the rest are 1's. Between two 1's comes an O. 4 O's in this row, so the rest are 1's. Double 1, here and O, there and O. And then I need to compare. Yes. Do we have here? Oh no, not the same. Double 1. No, not the same. So I need to compare in this direction. Do we have one? No. Yeah. This row and that row. Let me compare. 0011 empty box. 0011 empty box. 0011. So we need to switch these two boxes. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have a O here, this should be a 1. Between two O's comes a 1. Now we have 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Finish in 4 minutes. Alright, great binary Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the last Sudoku. It will be a tectonic one, aka Suguru in Japanese. So see you later. Bye bye for now.